If you ever want your Word document to print from the last page to the first page, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on print pages in reverse order in Word in just a few clicks. This is super useful if your printed pages stack in a way that makes more sense for handouts, drafts, or large documents, and it can save you a lot of the time sorting pages afterward. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word and make sure the document you want to print is ready. Once you're inside Word, go up to the top left corner and click File. This opens the Backstage menu where all of Word's main settings and printing options are stored. From the File menu, scroll down and click Options. This will open the Word Options window, which is where you can customize the way Word behaves. If you've never been here before, don't worry, it's very straightforward. We're looking for one specific setting, so stay with me. In the Word Options window, click Advanced on the left-hand side. This section contains a long list of advanced editing, display, and printing settings. Since there are a lot of options here, you'll need to scroll down a bit until you reach the Print section. Take your time and look carefully because the setting we need is right there in this area. Once you find the Print section, look for the checkbox that says Print Pages in Reverse Order. Go ahead and check that box. This tells Word to send your pages to the printer, starting with the last page first, then working backward until the first page prints last. If you've ever had a printout come out in the wrong stack order, this setting is exactly what you need. After checking the box, click OK to save your changes. That's important because the setting won't take effect unless you confirm it. Now, when you print your document, Word will use reverse order printing automatically. To test it, you can go to File, then Print, and preview your document before sending it to the printer. If everything is set correctly, the pages should print in reverse order according to the option you just enabled. This can be especially helpful when you want your finished pages to land in the correct reading order without needing to rearrange them manually. And that's all there is to it. You've now turned on print pages in reverse order in Word. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference for organizing printed documents more efficiently. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.